unboxing the new emergency bulb. So you can see it comes with a bulb and a switch. So this bulb has two batteries, as you can see. It has two LED batteries, one here and another one here. So this battery, this bulb, you can use it with your skin and it lights. As you can see, you can use my skin and it lights, or you can use water and it is on. So this bulb is nice, though it's a bit expensive, but it is worth it, and it is capable of holding power for 3 days. So if you have connected it, show them. If you have connected it on, now you come back. If you have connected it on an electric socket and power goes, it can be able to light for you for over 3 days. As you can see, it also has this switch. So if you want, you can use it as also a torch. With this switch, you put on this switch